Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some valuable insights to share that could make a real difference in your financial journey. If you're part of the Navy Federal family or considering joining, you'll definitely want to stick around for this one. Have you ever wondered why your credit limit increase request might get denied? Well, you're not alone. In this video, we're going to break it down, step by step, to help you understand the ins and outs of this process. Whether you're a seasoned Navy Federal member or a brand new recruit, these insights can help you navigate the world of credit limit increases. We'll explore the 6 key reasons behind credit limit increase denials, and we'll even share some tips on how to increase your chances of success. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets of credit limit increases and take control of your financial future, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. And if you're interested in learning more about the Navy Federal Credit Union, feel free to check out our Navy Federal playlist in the link provided in the description below. Let's jump right into it. Reason 1. The 91-3 Rule. Reason number 1. You have not met the 91-3 rule with Navy Federal has not been met. The 91-3 rule is a crucial requirement set by Navy Federal for those seeking a credit limit increase on their credit card. Which means you must have had your Navy Federal credit card for at least 91 days and 3 billing statements. However, it's essential to exercise caution and not cut it too close to the 91-day mark. To be safe, consider waiting a bit longer, perhaps 95 or even 100 days before requesting an increase. Why the extra buffer? Well, Navy Federal may not round up. So, if you've had your card for 90 days and apply, you could find your request denied. Another aspect of the 91-3 rule is that you need to have received at least 3 billing statements. However, there's a common pitfall here. Not all statements count toward this requirement. If your credit card is brand new, the initial billing statement or the following statement may not be considered complete billing statements. This can lead to a request denial, even if you've met the time requirement. The key takeaway here is that meeting the 93 rule is the first step towards a successful credit limit increase request. Make sure to give yourself some extra time and verify that you have the required billing statements before applying. Reason 2. Maximum credit limit reached. Reason number 2. Maybe you have already reached your maximum credit limit on that particular credit card. Navy Federal sets maximum credit limits for its credit cards to manage risk and ensure responsible lending. For most Navy Federal unsecured credit cards, this limit is typically $50,000. However, it's important to note that the flagship Navy Federal credit card can go up to $80,000 in combined credit limit. This means if you already have substantial credit limits across your Navy Federal cards and are approaching the maximum limit, your request for a credit limit increase might be denied. Here's an example. Let's say you already have a combined credit limit of around $78,000 across your Navy Federal credit cards. When you request a credit limit increase, Navy Federal might initially approve a small increase. However, they may later review your account and decide to cap your total credit limit at the maximum allowed for that specific card, which is $80,000 for the flagship card. In other words, you might receive an approval initially but then have it adjusted to fit within Navy Federal's credit limit policies. So, if you're close to the maximum credit limit, be aware that your request may not result in a significant increase or could even be capped at the maximum allowed by Navy Federal. Reason 3. Late payment. You may have a late payment on that credit card, which can negatively impact your creditworthiness. Late payments on your credit card can be a red flag for lenders, including Navy Federal. Even a single late payment can signal to them that you might be experiencing financial difficulties or that you're not managing your credit responsibly. However, it's important to note that Navy Federal evaluates late payments on a case-by-case basis. While a late payment can certainly hurt your chances of getting a credit limit increase, it doesn't automatically disqualify you. In some cases, members have reported being approved for a credit limit increase even if they had a late payment history. However, these approvals often come with smaller increases compared to members with a clean payment history. So, if you have had a late payment, it's not the end of the world. but it's crucial to focus on making on-time payments moving forward to rebuild your creditworthiness and increase your chances of larger credit limit increases in the future. Reason 4. High utilization. A member may have very high utilization on one credit card or all credit cards. Credit utilization refers to the percentage of your available credit that you're currently using. It's a crucial factor in your credit score, and lenders, including Navy Federal, pay close attention to it. If you're consistently carrying a high balance close to or at your credit limit on one or more of your Navy Federal credit cards, it can be a red flag for the lender when you request a credit limit increase. Lenders prefer to see responsible credit management, which includes keeping your credit utilization low. A general rule of thumb is to aim for a credit utilization ratio below 15%. This means you should ideally be using less than 15% of your available credit. For example, if you have a credit card with a $10,000 limit, keeping your balance below $1,500 can positively impact your credit score and your chances of a successful credit limit increase. However, it's essential to understand that high utilization doesn't guarantee a denial. Navy Federal considers multiple factors when making these decisions, but maintaining low utilization can certainly increase your chances of approval. Reason 5. Low Navy Federal credit score. You may have a low Navy Federal credit score, which is separate from your personal credit score. Navy Federal uses its internal credit scoring system, which ranges from 100 to 450, to assess your creditworthiness. This internal score takes into account various factors, including your relationship with Navy Federal and your financial behavior. Having a low Navy Federal credit score can impact your ability to secure a credit limit increase, even if your personal credit profile looks healthy. This is why building a strong relationship with Navy Federal is crucial. Your Navy Federal credit score can improve when you actively use their products, such as savings accounts or direct deposits. Building a relationship with Navy Federal is a proactive step you can take to boost your internal credit score. It's a bit like earning trust within the Navy Federal community, and it can open doors to higher credit limits and better financial opportunities. Remember that Navy Federal's internal scoring system is separate from the credit scores reported by major credit bureaus, but it plays a significant role in Navy Federal's lending decisions. Reason 6. Negative items on credit report. If you have any derogatory items on your personal credit report, such as collections or charge-offs, it can affect your chances of a credit limit increase. When you apply for a credit limit increase, Navy Federal may conduct a credit inquiry and review your credit report from major credit bureaus like Equifax, TransUnion, or Experian. If they find negative items on your credit report, it can raise concerns about your ability to manage credit responsibly, and this may lead to a denial of your credit limit increase request. It's crucial to regularly review your credit reports from all three major credit bureaus and address any negative items or errors. Maintaining a clean and positive credit history can significantly improve your chances of success when seeking credit limit increases. Remember that negative items on your credit report can have a long-lasting impact, but with time and responsible credit management, you can work towards improving your credit and increasing your chances of approval for future credit limit increase requests. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the 6 key reasons why your credit limit increase request might get denied by Navy Federal. Understanding these factors can be a game changer in your financial journey. Remember, getting denied for a credit limit increase isn't the end of the road. It's an opportunity to learn and improve your financial standing. Whether you're new to Navy Federal or a longtime member, these insights can help you make more informed decisions about your credit. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your fellow Navy Federal members, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable financial tips and insights. Also, don't forget to check out our Navy Federal playlist for more helpful tips and information about Navy Federal and its products. As always, if you have any questions, personal experiences to share, or other topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave a comment below. Your engagement is what makes this community thrive. In the world of personal finance, knowledge is power, and by staying informed, you're taking a significant step towards achieving your financial goals. So, thank you for being a part of our community, and we look forward to bringing you more valuable content in the future. Have a fantastic day, and may your financial journey be filled with success and prosperity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.